I do not think that the market is about to crash, but I think we're due for a very big pullback starting as soon as right now. So I'll show you guys what I'm buying in the meantime to keep making money even when the market's going down. What you should stay away from and absolutely not be buying, because let's be honest, when the market's at all-time highs, you do not want to be caught in a speculative stock. The most obvious hedge has always been gold, and so far gold has gone up 40+% this year, and it hasn't stopped going up with a recent massive takeoff. That really concerns me because people usually will buy gold ahead of the market falling, especially considering the Fear and Greed Index still shows greed like it has for 4 months in a row. We climbed out of this tariff dip so quick it was almost scary. First, let me show you what I'm not buying, and then I'll show you what I am buying. I'm definitely not buying SoundHound AI once it's already up over 200% this year. I would never buy Opendoor because I bought it at 177 and now I think it's peaked. I will absolutely not buy QBTS or any quantum related stocks right now. Not just because it's up over 2,600% this year alone, but because it's as speculative as it gets. The crazy speculative stocks like this will be the first to get sold off in a bear market. Let me now show you what I'm buying instead. Keep in mind I have a lot of buying power for this. I'm saving cash to keep buying as they go down. I would buy Target. This is a very steady and slow moving stock. I know it's boring, but it's currently trading at a 60% discount from where analysts place it at. It's got a 5% dividend yield, so this is probably the best thing you could be buying instead of just holding cash in a bear market. I'll diversify even more with UPS, which has been in a steady downtrend for a while, but JP Morgan just urged their investors to go and buy calls. So they could see it doing very well even in a bear market. I really like that, and it's got a dividend yield as well. And then of course, my favorite stock, which is American Airlines, and it's somehow still below $20. Even after we saw this huge run and I sold up 80%, and when I bought back in here, $8 and it had another run. If we can pull back more, I will definitely buy. Here's what you've been waiting for. It's the hedge we can use. Even when the market goes down, we'll be making money from this. It's the VIX, the volatility index that is at the lowest point to buy all year long. It shot up to $70 when Trump announced tariffs. So you guys know how this works. When we get a bunch of fear and uncertainty, VIX will fly. As you guys know, I have a full list of 10 stocks I'm buying right now. So if you want that full list, comment the word trade and I'll message you. And drop me a follow because I post these videos every single day.